What's up, everyone? Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars. Just took in on trade this really clean 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, which is the 4-door, and it's the Rubicon. So let's check it out. Now, the Rubicon is the top tier, top trim level of the Jeep. So you're going to have a lot of options on this particular Jeep, and I'll go through them here. I'll try to go not too fast, but I don't want to go too slow to bore you as well. It does have power locks here. It does have hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on this through this car's audio system on your cell phone hands-free. It does have 115,691 miles and not a single light warning on the dash here. It does have cruise control on the steering wheel and audio controls right behind. It's got the 6.5-inch touchscreen radio, which is the nicest radio of its day. It does have navigation here, and it does have satellite radio ready. Coming down here, power windows here, heating and air conditioning controls. There is the automatic function, which was an upgrade there. It does have adjustable mirrors, heated seat, downhill assist. It does have a 110 volt outlet, and then your passenger heated seat. Still has the manual shifter into 4-wheel drive here, and then is automatic transmission with individual gear selectors as you go down below. Does have your emergency brake right here, couple beverage holders. Overall interior is super clean. Even the little nooks and crannies are super clean. Here's your power outlet here. It's a 150 watt, 115 volt power outlet. This being a Rubicon is going to have some off-road capabilities that most Jeeps don't. It's got the electronic disconnect sway control. What that does, that disconnects your sway bar and allows your suspension, and particularly your front axle, to travel more around the big boulder, maybe if you're off-roading. It does have axle locks here for your front and rear differentials. Let's check out the outside. Here we go. So this is the 3-piece hardtop. Does have the insulated hardtop too, so that's going to help with sound and also help them keep them from clanging together when you take them off. So you got 2 pieces up front here, and then the back piece. The 2 pieces up front are going to be like T-tops. This is black exterior color with the black wheels. Really sharp. I don't think this thing's been off-road much, if at all. Super clean, and it's hard to find a Rubicon that's not been on the trail a lot and not really all banged up. Got the painted tow hooks here, 7-slotted Jeep grill. See the Rubicon emblem. Does have hood vents here. Windshield looks nice and clean. It's actually tinted a little bit, as well as all the windows. Really sets off this Wrangler. Pretty much brand new tires on them. I checked the date, they're latter part of 2020, and they replaced all 5 tires. So little stuff like that lets me know how well someone takes care of their vehicle when they even replace the spare tire that probably didn't need it other than age. Has a nice alloy wheel here, the Jeep emblem on it. Going to be a 17-inch wheels on this. Does have a step bar here, but it's mostly the rock slider. So this is going to help you if you would be off-roading and happen to slide into something. It's going to protect this side of the vehicle, right? Jeep emblem on the fuel fill here. Got upgraded taillights. And again, newer tire right here on the spare. It does have the upgraded Jeep rubber mats all the way through, even in the back. Still has the bag here for those. Those are for the 2 T-tops to protect them and keep them clanging around. You can kind of see the insulative factor I was telling you here on the top, on the roof. It does also have the speaker system built in there on the roll bar. All right, let's check out the passenger side. Rear window here is defrosted and does have the wiper on it as well. Passenger side really looks good. I don't see really any body damage at all on this vehicle. Let's check out the rear compartment. Leather seats back here. Got the Jeep rubber mat. Overall, just really clean interior and exterior. Again, top trim level. If this is something you're looking for, a super nice, well-equipped, not used very much, at least not hard, Jeep Wrangler. This is definitely a good driver, drives good down the road, looks good overall. really nice Jeep. For current pricing and availability, I'll post a link below. Financing, as always, is available. We've got a team here that can lock you in with a great rate and payment. You can fill that out right from home on the link below. Also, if you have a trade-in, we love an opportunity to earn your business, and we'll do everything we can, giving you the most money we possibly can for your trade, and you can do all that to get started right from your home, to get a trade quote right from home. So with that, my name's Mike. This fresh trade will not last long, so if you see it, make sure to give us a holler and schedule us a time to come in for a test drive. Thanks for watching, everyone.